Boys, Mr. Light is back with Sheepdog and Wolf. 6 sheep remain. We are doing very well, in fact. So let's move on to the next level. And we are really moving into the back of this stage. Okay. Is this what I'm thinking of? There's level 9, so that's fully complete. So this was the last level, level 10, fully complete, very good. We are now moving on to level 11. Let's see what Sam's got prepared this time. Oh. Oh boy, this is going to be interesting. Oh, hang on, I remember this one. This one is a bit tricky. But I kid you not, it's quite fun. There are some pretty good bits on this level. We're now in a castle of some kind. Well, we've seen the goal, and we are right here. First off, we're going to order ourselves some mail. First off, we get a magnet. Now here's the thing, that crocodile there.
What gives here, bub? This awful beast won't let me pass. You gotta do something. Tell you what, if you free me, I'll teach you a nifty trick. Use the cannon to knock him out.
Okay, I'm sure we can do that. We got ourselves a cannon. I'm going to enjoy this. Now, to do this, I need to aim about here, I think it is. Wipe out in one shot. And he's not getting back up anytime soon. Jump on him. And we save Daffy.
Get a load of this. You can hang an object onto the end of the fishing line using the combine feature in your inventory.
Oh.
Select the fishing rod, then press combine and choose the object you want to string onto the end of the hook. If you want to unhook the object, select fishing rod, then press dissociate.
Might be a bit confusing for everyone here, but don't worry, I know what I'm doing. So, what do we want to do first? Well, what we actually want to do is pick this up here. We want to carry it over to here. Place it here. Then we want to climb up onto the walls of this castle. Now, we're over here now. The cannonball is right below us, so what do? We actually gotta go here, into the inventory. Select the fishing rod, combine with the magnets. Then we use it. Lower it to bring the cannonball up. You can only move side to side here, but that's exactly what I want. There we go. We now have access to another area. Now this is where it gets very interesting. Don't worry, even though that happened, I still got the green, didn't... Oh, no, I didn't. Okay, hang on. I know what I gotta do. Those bombs are in fact usable. Using the fishing rods. And dealt with. Now we can grab this. Now, here's where it gets very interesting. The time clock is in there behind these rocks. How exactly do we do this? First off, we gotta grab this, move it to the side, then dislocate. Right, then we move to, I'm just trying to figure this out now. Go here, activate again, deactivate, then can we activate it from here? There we go. Yep, it did actually, just didn't see the timer. So now that we were close enough, we can now activate the time clock. Thank you. Now what I want to do now is disassemble that. And then use this with the lettuce. Oh boy, yes, you can combine it with the lettuce as well. Very important to do this. Alright, we go along here. Then go across here, if you're avoiding falling. You might notice that button there. Yep, we want to lure that sheep there. Yo, sheepy! Come get delicious lettuce! Come on! That's right! Sam is none the wiser! So now, he'll now step on the button. Now what I gotta do is go this side where there is in fact another sheep. Come on, sheepy! This way! Get him out of sight of Sam. Then what we gotta do is go down here. And Sam is none the wiser. Now, here's the thing about this. There we go. These here are in fact not very good. You will fall. Come on, you, this way. Good boy. Right, so we got the sheep here. Now we got to lure him onto here. Come on, this way. So we're going to pick him up and put him here, I believe. You stay there, bucko. Turn the camera so I can see what the heck I'm doing. If I hit this mailbox, it releases that which is up there. Now what you want to do is step on this and bring up the sheep. Oops, too far. There we go. Got ourselves the sheep. And we put the sheep here now. This is where... Oh no, I know what we gotta do. This is actually pretty interesting. You put the sheep on the conveyor. Drop that there. Go on here. And he just starts running around, allowing me to get up here. He can't actually get it. So then we got ourselves a remote control. Pick this up. Pick you up. And now I actually gotta get that back down again. Just a second. There we go. Alright, sheepy. Get on there. You're gonna need this. Right, let's activate the remote control to bring forth our young robot friend. He's back in action. Let's see. What we want to do is go here. We then want to deactivate. You go on there. Use and... You're both going upwards. Very good. Now let's pick you up. And bring you in here. Now, we want to... No, that's not what I want. Oh, yep, I know. We now want to do another combination. Fishing rod combined with magnets. We want to go here. And fetch our friends. And what you can do is bring them over here onto this. Now we're ready for some action. Now, this is where things get a bit tricky. This was actually pretty difficult until I found out what to do. I had to use a guide for this because it's flipping annoying. Right, what you want to do first is go on this with just Coyote. not with the sheep. You're on the other side then, which is important. There you are, put this here to get the sheep to come over. Now we'll ride back. Do you notice how slow we're going? Yeah, you actually don't want the robot to do that. You don't want the robot to do the work there. You have to do it yourself. Oh, flip, hang on. That's better. Okay, here we go. Yep, that's pretty quick, isn't it? The sheep goes there. Hang on, no, I've done that wrong. Okay, go to the robots. You bring it back over there, using the other side. Okay. While he goes onto it. What am I doing? I want to select it and bring myself over. Yeah, that was rather complex, wasn't it? Jeez, that was annoying. Okay. So we've got to here now, the next room. You know, I think this is the only other room. So let's pick up the sheep. This room is not as complicated, but it is a tad annoying. We want to get our robot here to go onto this conveyor belt. Get ready for this. Oh boy, here we go. Oh, okay. Got it. Then pick up the sheep. Carry him on to the next one. Robots, lift us up, please. Yeah, that's it. That'll do. Now I'll pick you up again. And put you here. Jeez, this is complicated. Actually, this one isn't as complicated as the last one, that's for sure. Up. Okay, got it. Thank you, robot. Then go here. Now, the thing we gotta do here is a bit tricky as well. So we'll put the sheep on here. Get our robots. Come in here. And we want you to go there. No, I remember. First thing we want to do is ride this, but just about there. Now that's done. Time for our magnets. Pick up the robots and put him onto here. Then let's go on here. Activate him. And then pick up the sheep. Bingo bango Bob's your uncle. That actually, seriously, I'm glad I figured out how to do that, but I did need a guide for that one. That one was very weird. There's a lot of weirdness in that one. But we did it in the end. I'm pretty happy with that result. So, that's yet another sheep added to our set. Pretty simple, if I do say so myself. We have 5 sheep left to catch. Or in this case, steal. Oh, look, the next level. Very nice. Now let's listen to Daffy's insanity once again. What are you going to say this time, Daffs?
Fantastic! Oop. Our contestant needs quiet. Quiet!
The usual madness. Well guys, that's all for this episode. See you guys next time for the next level. We are closing in on the end. See you guys for the next sheet.